Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a simple and beautiful eye makeup look that is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First I apply concealer on my eyelids to create an even base and help the eyeshadow last longer. Next, I set the concealer with a light layer of face powder. This makes blending much easier. Now I apply a light eyeshadow shade all over the eyelid as my transitions color. Apply it properly. Then I used a darker shade on the outer corner of my eyes to add depth and definition. I blend it softly for a smooth finishing. After that, I apply cream shimmer on the inner corner of my eyes and just below the brow bone to brighten and highlight the eyes. For extra glam, I apply a beautiful reddish golden shimmer on the center of my eyelid. Next, I draw a thin eyeliner to define my eyes. Then I apply kajal to make my eyes look bigger and more expressive. Finally, I finish the look with mascara to add volume and length to my eyes. And that's the final eye makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more makeup videos. Thank you for watching.